In this guide, I will be showing you guys where can you find promo codes for Walmart. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in Walmart promo codes and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get promo code for Walmart, but choose the legit one. Just like Groupon, once you're in the website, you're gonna find different offers and deals. Check out all the offers and deals and select the one that you are interested in. Click on the offer. You'll be directed to this page where you're gonna find the coupon code or this kind of pop-up shop now. You'll need to click on that. You'll be directed to the website of Walmart. Now you'll need to provide your credentials and log into your account. Then make your purchase and check out. While you are on the checkout page, you'll be prompted to enter the code, or if you get this kind of pop-up as shop now, the offer will automatically apply to your purchase. You'll just need to confirm your order. Likewise, you can also check out other offers and deals, or you can navigate to other website, as other website will also provide you tons of offers and deals for Walmart. You can check out this one website, Coupon Follow. And that's it. This way you can easily find promo codes for Walmart. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.